Welcome to France, the land of art, romance, and ultimate luxury. From the heart of Paris to the scenic landscapes of Provence, France is home to some of the world's most exclusive retreats, each promising an unforgettable experience. Join us as we explore France's finest luxury destinations. Our journey begins in Paris, the city of lights. Paris is famous for its historic charm, couture fashion, and, of course, world-class luxury hotels. First stop, the iconic Ritz Paris. Since opening in 1898, the Ritz Paris has been synonymous with luxury. Here, elegance meets history with rooms that have hosted the likes of Coco Chanel and Ernest Hemingway. Every suite has its own charm, but the Ritz Paris suite, with stunning views of Place Vendôme, is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. For the finest dining, guests can indulge at L'Espadon, a 2 Michelin-starred restaurant known for exquisite French cuisine prepared by master chefs. It's the perfect way to end an evening in Paris. Leaving Paris, we venture into the Champagne region, where lush vineyards stretch across the landscape. Here, we find Royal Champagne Hotel and Spa, a luxurious retreat surrounded by the iconic vineyards that produce the world's finest champagne. At this 5-star sanctuary, guests can relax in the hotel's world-renowned spa, which offers treatments inspired by the rich natural resources of Champagne. Imagine sipping on the region's finest bubbly from an infinity pool overlooking the vineyards. Beyond the spa, guests enjoy private tastings with expert sommeliers, where they can sample rare champagnes not available anywhere else. It's an unforgettable experience for any wine lover. No luxury trip to France would be complete without visiting the glamorous French Riviera. Known for its pristine beaches and ultra-exclusive resorts, the Riviera is the playground of the elite. One of the Riviera's finest is the Grand Hotel du Cap Ferret. Overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, this hotel offers private cabanas, a stunning infinity pool, and even helicopter transfers for guests wanting to arrive in style. For dinner, guests can enjoy a private, candle-lit meal under the stars, complete with personalized service that elevates any evening into a magical experience. Now we head into Provence, where the landscape shifts to rolling vineyards, olive groves, and lavender fields. For a true Provençal experience, there's no place like Villa Lacoste. Villa Lacoste is more than just a hotel. It's a luxury retreat designed for art and nature lovers alike. The property features curated art installations, sculptures, and architecture that blend seamlessly with Provence's natural beauty. Guests can immerse themselves in holistic wellness experiences here, from natural spa treatments to meditative strolls through the art gardens. Each suite offers views of vineyards or mountains, perfect for unwinding in tranquility. Finally, for history enthusiasts, the Château de la Loire offers a peek into royal luxury. Imagine staying in a grand chateau, surrounded by formal gardens and historic architecture dating back centuries. From the elegance of Paris to the charm of Provence, France offers some of the world's most exquisite luxury escapes. No matter which destination you choose, a journey through France's finest retreats is bound to be extraordinary. So, when you're ready to indulge, let France welcome you with open arms. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and join us for more luxurious journeys around the world.